I've always found that my friends and the people I know simply don't know the basic but hidden Telegram's features, which make your experience of using it even better. In this video I put together the top things I used almost every day, and I suggest you start doing the same. Welcome to the Teleblog channel. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel right now and support us with your likes. The more the engagement, the more content I can make. And the first thing on my list today is reading messages in secret. I mean, this life hack works in a lot of situations. Say you got a text, but you don't want to open it so as not to forget about it and come back to it later. Or there are some unpleasant people that texted you, but you still want to find out what it is about. That's what this life hack is for. On iOS, you have to long press one of the dialogues and get a magic window that will open the chat preview for you. You can even scroll through it and look at a few messages if there are any. With this preview, the other person won't get notified with a double check, therefore they won't find out that you opened and read the text. You can do the same in public channels and groups. Whereas Android devices got a cut-down version of this feature. If you long press a user, channel or group profile, you can also open a chat preview, but unfortunately, if there are too many unread messages, it'll be impossible to read them all. Why the Messenger developers didn't make this feature the same as on iPhone? Well, you have nothing to do but throw up your hands. Another life hack that I use almost every day is about voice messages. So many users don't even know it's possible. What I mean is, if the other person sent you a voice or video message, you could listen to it just by bringing your smartphone to your ear. The audio will automatically play. There are other ways to do it too. If your phone doesn't respond when you raise it, first click on the voice message playback and then bring it to your ear. With 99% certainty, the audio is gonna sound as if you're talking on the phone. Besides this useful tip, you can go even further, and after the end of the voice message you will hear the sound and you can record your response. Then finish and touch the arrow to send it. You spend a lot less time than when you start the audio, listen to it, press the recording button and then send the message. It's also faster and more convenient. By the way, it's a thing that few people really know about, and it's so helpful. Share this video with your friends and surprise them what they can do in Telegram. By the way, are you using this tip? But let's keep up the pace and move on to the next, not less useful tip that many people don't know about, and is gonna make your life so much easier. Of course, I mean folders. In other words, you can divide everything into different folders: channels, groups, contacts, work chats, and so on. The easiest and perhaps the most convenient example would be creating a new folder, where you get all your chats first, but after reading them, they will disappear. Creating a folder like this is super simple. Go to Settings and select Folders with Chats. Here users can get a regular set of folders that they can create. Click Create a new folder and name it New. In the field Selected Chats, you can, for example, select all types of chats, from contacts to bots, and press Ready. Whereas in Excluded Chats, you can add the options that you like. In our case, we tap Archived and Read Chats. Click Ready, and in Chat Rooms, we get the New tab. Now all the new chats from the people, channels, groups and bots will appear here. And when you read them, they will disappear, so that our focus is only on unread messages. I personally read everything from here because, as I mentioned earlier, this folder helps me not miss the most important stuff. You can create folders like this with different categories. You may wanna have a tab with contacts, work chats or public channels. Choose the folder you like and improve your experience with Telegram. Share in the comments which folders you created or you're going to create. I'm eager to know. Next, let's move on to the life hacks to do with recording. The first one is a non-stop recording. Usually, users press the audio or video message record button and hold it until they finish speaking. It's convenient for short messages, but you'll agree that sometimes you can accidentally let go of the finger even though you haven't finished. Here comes locking the record button. You can use it for both audio and video messages. To do this, click on the mic icon, it will start recording, and swipe your finger up to lock the record button. Now let go of your finger and the recording will continue. To stop it, you just have to tap on the arrow, then the message will immediately be sent, and by clicking the square, that means stop, the voice or video message will stay there instead of the message field. You can either send a message or just delete it. It's super convenient. If you have something to say and the story is not short, then in order not to stop the recording, it's best to do the steps I described above. And since a lot of people like recording long audio or video messages, there's another life hack coming to our rescue. I mean, listening to 20 minutes of your best friend's story is a hell of a lot of fun, right? But what if we can speed it up? When playing the message, click on the 2x options to speed up the voice message. It's simple and clear, but there is one downside though. If the other person speaks too quickly, it may be hard to understand some of the words or phrases, so just keep that in mind. I mean, it would be great if we could speed it up by 1.5 times or choose the speed. That would be much more convenient. Telegram has various features like this, but today I shared some of the most basic things that will improve your messaging experience a lot. Let me know in the comments which of the things you didn't know about, and which on the contrary you use as often as I do. Support our channel and hit the like button please. It's the Teleblog channel. Subscribe and be trendy.